so the clouds are making the rounds, and they're actually able to make an impact too, because the snow isn't coming down as hard as it was earlier, covering up all the work that they were doing over the course of the morning, overnight and into the morning hours. So once again, they're putting in that work. Everyone will be making their way out to start shoveling the snow from the sidewalks and
The mayor says declarations allow the city to better fight the storm, get people out of the way. It also means you must move your vehicle off the snow emergency routes so that they can be cleared. Trash and recycling is on a 2-day delay. If you don't know this now, you're late. The school district of Philadelphia and Archdiocese schools are shifting to virtual learning today. You do not have to send the kids to school. We have a full list of closures at the bottom of your screen. Let's turn now to Action News reporter Cheyenne Corinne, who has been watching trees come down in Rittenhouse Square in Philadelphia.
I have those trees are just continuously coming down. I want to bring you this way. Right down here on Walnut is where those trees are. You can see that it actually has blocked off this entire area, and that just shows you how heavy these trees are. Fortunately, that wind is starting to calm down, but here in Philadelphia, we really have not gotten a great